I'm okay. Without your broken ribs, I would never have invented this. My ultrasonic speed amplifier. Spare me your half-hearted applause. When you see what this baby can do, your applause will be at least three-quarter hearted.
So, if I wear this for 6 weeks, will my ribs heal properly?
No, my control panel will send amplification signals to your chest plate, allowing you to reach unparalleled speeds, all using state-of-the-art blast processing technology.
Blast processing technology? Those are just phony baloney buzzwords to fool the simple-minded.
Blast processing technology? Oh, gimme!
Ready to go, Sonic?
Are you serious? After all you put me through this morning? Absolutely! Wow, it works!
How you feeling, Sonic?
Like a hummingbird on his third espresso. Tails, you're a genius! But how about a little more juice?
Good idea. And I'll up the levels, too.
Faster!
Maybe we should...
I know it was you,
It wasn't me, it was him!
but him is you.
He's going so fast that he's appearing 2 places at once.
But we can always go faster. Tails, crank it!
I really think we should run more tests before we push it in.
Do it!
That is the funniest thing Sonic has ever said.